today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, actually this video, I did not plan to make it. I am still a little bit sick, but the biggest move we have seen in years is about to happen for Bitcoin very, very shortly. And actually, if you say, oh, Chris, how can you know? Well, I want to pull out some indicators and tell you exactly why I am making this claim, why I am making this personal, subjective prediction here for Bitcoin. Let's talk about that. And of course, guys, before I am going straight into it and talk about my price predictions, my next trades for Bitcoin, my expectations for Bitcoin in the immediate, midterm, and in the long run, please go down, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, more than you have ever smashed it up before. I would truly appreciate that. Share the video, make noise for the algorithm as much as you can if you feel comfortable with it. If not, this video is free for all. You can still watch it and enjoy. Welcome to the MMCrypto family. And now let's go straight into the content. I'm actually recording a straight back from the office with all the screens. I still have to turn them on, display the NFTs and so on. This is going to happen very soon. But now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about what is actually happening in the markets. And guys, I can tell you, it's pretty crazy. So let me do a quick recap here. So on the weekly candles, by the way, sorry for not uploading a video yesterday. Usually always daily videos. Subscribe, press the bell and hit the notifications. What I was talking about 2 days ago was here. A bearish flip is impending on the weekly ribbon. And of course, if we just go back, just quick recap here. If we just go back, of course, we can see whenever this happened before, in 2018, boom, we got a big crash down. Whenever this happened here before, I have not the right chart on, but it actually is every single time, right? It happened 2018, it happened 2015. In every single bear market, we had one bearish flip on the EMA weekly ribbon. And now, of course, it's not confirmed yet, but at least it's here around the corner, knocking on our doors. So this, just keep it in your back head, right? With that being said, let's go to the next one. Because something I talked about before was this price model here, where we are having a potential triple bottom for Bitcoin, right? We had the first bottom right here with this rejection, then the rally up. Then we had another bottom here where we dipped down a few times, but we held the bottom. And I was telling you all the time, since 69, at 30, 40, every single time, my worst case prediction is $28,000 for Bitcoin. I'm still sticking with that. So if we were to break down with this EMA weekly flip, I'm not saying necessarily we're gonna do it. Maybe we have a dead cat bounce before. Maybe I'm completely wrong. I'm just telling you, if we are breaking the previous bottom here, I still see the bottom to be at worst case $28,000. This is a claim I'm making. I might be wrong with that, but keep in mind that this is not coming from somewhere, right? I mean, we have here amazing, magical confidence in the market. Michael Saylor, Tesla, Elon Musk, all of these people had this average buying price around $30,000. The market knows that. We have a lot of psychological confidence there. We have the VPVR point of control. We have a lot of volume traded. There's just so much support coming in that this is where I'm pulling out my claim, actually, that this is the most likely worst case scenario for Bitcoin. If we are going back actually a few years back in time, pulling out our time machine here once again, just wait a second here with my fat fingers. It's not so easy always. You can see it here, 2018, 19, 20. Just a second. 2018, 19, 20, we had a very similar situation. We had a run-up, one retest here forming the future low. Then, of course, the bull market high. We dipped down, had a triple bottom here at the potential, at the low for Bitcoin. Then we had this run-up to $14,000, Fibonacci extension level, golden pocket, and one last breakdown, one last black swan event to clear up the market down to the worst-case scenario and then ran up to the races. This is where I am pulling this claim from, actually. This is what I wanted to talk about. And if you're asking yourself, well, when is this happening? When are we getting this big move, either towards the upside, retesting our resistance here? You can see it right there. This resistance is not broken yet. When are we getting it? Well, if I'm zooming here a little bit in on the 4-hourly candles, you can see something we are not seeing a lot. We are basically going sideways since ages here, right? We got this one failed rally, which is obviously not the best sign, right? I'm not telling you I'm bearish, I'm just telling you the facts here. And we are keep being rejected here. Of course, the more often we are testing the resistance, the more likely it is to be broken. But we have to break it eventually. We have to break this magical level of 42 to 44,000 US dollars eventually. If I am pulling out the Bollinger Bands, you can see we are squeezing as we have not been squeezing since month. The volatility going down, indicating that a big volatile move is coming rather sooner than later. This is mathematical facts, just price history. You look at the stock markets, you look at the Bitcoin market, every single time we are going sideways. The longer we go sideways, the lower the volatility gets, the bigger the next future move for Bitcoin actually becomes. Another thing I wanted to talk about, and this big warning to everyone who is going to be shaken out by either the future moves, who was shaken out by previous moves. I am telling you, I am holding all my Bitcoin, every single thing. I don't care if we go down to 30. Look at this. I was posting prices 2 years ago. It all repeats. Do not be fooled. Look at this. Bitcoin went down 50%. Imagine you sold there. Bitcoin was dead. People said it's over. It's over. This was March 2020. Pretty much 1 year ago. And right now, we are having the same sentiment at not 3,700 US dollars, no, at 37,000 US dollars. It's ludicrous. I am telling you, most likely in 2 years, we will have the same scenario at 370,000 US dollars, where everyone is saying, oh, wow, we're gonna go down, it's over, it's over. Every single time, the same thing. In fact, 2015, we had the same thing at 370 US dollars. Well, we did down to 200 or whatever, but what happened afterwards? 20,000. Guys, do not be shaken out. Bitcoin was created exactly for this specific purpose. Obviously, also, I wanted to remind you, VLaunch, we are pushing a lot of updates there. Actually, after this video, I am going to record 3 different announcements with more. So make sure you're following us there. Also, if you want to be trading Bitcoin, please do it only as an experienced trader. Otherwise, buying and holding is key. This is what I just talked about 1.5 minutes ago. 10,000 US dollars free bonus in the pinned comment down below. Click register deposit. You get this free bonus completely for free, as I'm already saying. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, I'm gonna go down, enjoy Vietnamese food, record the announcement for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go asleep. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. That's always, guys, as always. Bye-bye.